Hi there, this is our Scott 6250L, 2 metre between centres, 105mm bore, rapids, etc. It's in good working order. Only thing is it's missing a couple of wee bits, tapered turning attachment rod and bed clamps missing, and also a couple of bits to the fixed steady, one of the shafts and a screw, and also one of the bed clamps that holds it on. It's got two and it's missing one. Alright, we'll start from the back. It's got a full length splash guard there, nice and tidy in the back. You'll see under the photos under here it's tidy. The bed feels good. A little bit of surface rust where the carriage has been sitting for a while over that side, but yeah, it feels good. Lead screw's nice. Standard tool post, T-shift rapid. That's a 2-speed tail stock. Tidy down this end and over there. Oh, we'll start with the tail stock. That feels good and pretty good up there. Carriage, nice to move. You can feel a little bit of a tight spot every now and then, but pretty good. Cross slide, feels good to move. A little bit of play but not much. Compound slide but tight to move, and a little bit of wear here. Alright, lights going. I'll put some power on it. That's the coolant pump running there. I haven't ever put coolant in it, so I'm not sure, but I imagine that's all working. So I'll turn that off. I've got it in a slow speed at the moment. Oh, I can actually show you the rapids first. So these are the T-shift rapids coming towards me. Away. Back out towards you, back in, back out. So those are the rapids there. I'll start it up. So reverse, emergency foot brake, and forward. I'll take you, I can take you through the feeds. Get that lead shaft going. So that's that lead screw going and coming towards me. I'll change that direction and going away. So that's engaging nicely. I can take you through your different speeds there. Now there's the feed shaft going now. I need to orientate that direction. So that's the carriage feeding this way. Now that way. Cross slide going in. Now coming back out towards you. So those are the feeds. So that's that lead screw and feed shaft there. I'll take you through the speeds now. So that was 32. See, that's 25. 20, 215. Just move that closer. 6. Whoopsie. 6, 8, 12, 10, 12. So that's all the low range. Take you up to the next range. And where are we? 56. 71. 90. 90. And 112. And 140. 180. 215. 270. And that's the medium range. Alright, we'll go into the high range now, which will be I think that'll be 224. So that's 224. 280. Oopsie. Yeah, so 280. 335. 450. 560. 710. Rightio, 2 more. 900. Last one. 1120. So that's it. Ticking over, nice and quiet through the year, and yeah, ready to go.